Hey you guys, it's your girl Naima. Welcome back to my channel, and I am coming in from work because I have a package. And before I get unready, let's go ahead and open this. So like I said in my previous video, I was gonna do 12 days of content to count down to my birthday, but we just gonna do content as it comes in because I did place an order just to, to treat myself to some smell good. So to see this fragrance smell, keep on watching. Okay, so I was on TikTok the other day, minding my own business, and I'm just joining all the lives or whatever. So y'all know Canvas Beauty is sold on the TikTok shop. So a creator went live and he was so entertaining. And he actually put together some fragrant combos with some of the products. And Stormy then launched a whole bunch of new stuff that I have no idea that was going on. So in this package, I ordered two, what should you call them? The oils. So I ordered two. Now I will say, when you ordering on like TikTok shop, especially if you're ordering through their lives when they do flash sales and stuff, I know we like to, take advantage of the deals and steals, but the shipping job like to be taking long. And she also talked about that when she went live. It's something about their hub in Huntsville. It got to go to, I think, another bigger city in Alabama, wherever. It wasn't in the main area where they ship their stuff off. So if it's like a big sale, your stuff is going to be delayed. But gratefully, mine is here. So let's go ahead and get on to it. So the two, what does she call these? Okay, these are the Canvas Beauty Body Drops. So these are the two that I purchased. And these two are supposed to be like a good layering combo. So her is, it's a dupe too. So these are fragrance dupes. So let me see. I guess I should have looked this shit up before I did this video, but y'all know how I do. Okay. Hold on now, Stormy. It would be helpful if you put your stuff on these bottles now. Let me get the notes and stuff and be back. Okay, so I see why when these creators and these influencers come on live and they just get bombarded with a whole bunch of questions, it's because the information is not on the site. Stormy, you got to tell people what this stuff is smelling like and what it's inspired by, because the Zodiac line is inspired by different luxury perfumes. I want to say her is inspired by Burberry Her, and I know that Love on Top is inspired by Donna Born in Roma. But they were saying if you get these two and you mix them for like a layering combo, the combination is bomb. So, like I said, if I find the notes, I will pop it up on the screen again. And if I get the proper inspired by fragrance, I will pop that up as well. So we're going to do Love on Top. So Love on Top is a zodiac sign for a Pisces. So I didn't go with my actual zodiac, which is a Libra. I just went by what the fragrance smells like. So the original price is $30 for these drops. They're now on sale for $25.50 with 15% off on the TikTok shop. But like I said, I bought them from a creator and they were only $12. So I got two basically for the price of one. All right, y'all. Since it's my first time getting to these drops, let's get into it. Let's see what Love on Top is giving. And I love that the bottles are plastic, so they're easy to travel with. And let's get into it. Ooh, this thing, what'd you call it? It's long. My hands are washing clean, so let's see what's going on. But like I said, it's my first time trying the drops. Ooh, I love the hydration. Ooh, this smells really, really good. Ooh, okay. Now, that's why I'm going to put what it's supposed to smell like on the screen. To me, if this is supposed to be, you know what? You know what? It low-key do smell like, let me make sure I ain't rolling over my son. Low-key, I think it do smell like Donna. I think it really, really does. Now, is it spot on? No, but it's definitely, it's good. Oh yeah, she's good. Mm-hmm. And I love the consistency. It's very, very potent. Mm-hmm. And this honestly to me smell better than the butters. The glazes, we can tussle in the comments. Now these is what I can do. All right, so love on top. We're gonna get love on top. We'll get this joint a 9 out of 10. So her, like I said, her may be Burberry her. I don't know. But this is again Virgo. If I get the notes, I'm gonna pop it on the screen. Put it on this arm. And again, the guy said wearing it together, the combo hits. Ooh. Yes, this is Burberry her. Ooh, this is good. So my mic went dead, so now I have to re-record the last bit of my thoughts on her, which is Burberry her. She's good. Like, to mix them together, spot on. I'm actually shocked that they're as strong as they are. They're not like strong to where as though it's like too much, but I think it's enough for you to get the experience of the fragrance. Now, as far as the wear, I doubt it, because even now it's like becoming faint on my skin. So you definitely have to pair it with the matching fragrance or something like that. She does have the EDPs or whatever she calls them in these fragrances to match the oils. But again, I'm like, I didn't want to go too ham because I wasn't sure of the smell of even the oils, and I have enough perfumes right now, so I was trying to just step my oil game up. But yes, y'all, so right now they're $25.50 on TikTok Shop. But like I said, if you get into a creator's live that you enjoy, and if you want to, you know, it's free to watch. But sometimes when they entertain you and you want to try a product, it don't hurt just to support them and shop through their links or whatever. So yes, y'all, so again, I have Love on Top and her. Y'all even see, I have my camera, I have a mirror behind me, but I don't think it's picking up too well because they're oily. That's it. Like, that's it. My video, nice, short, and sweet, straight to the point. I hope you guys enjoyed it though. If you have any questions, let me know. What's up to all of my new subscribers? Thank you guys for subscribing. And what's up to all of my OGs? Y'all know what's good. And I will talk to y'all in the next video. Bye.